Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need both devices on the same network. Do that first. Once done, enable your TV's file sharing or DLNA mode so it will appear to your device. Make sure you have the right app installed on the phone or PC, Chromecast, AirPlay, Plex, or the manufacturer's casting app. This reduces compatibility problems later. Now open the app and grant media permissions. Then locate the TV in the app's device list and tap to begin pairing so you can start transferring files. With devices prepared, open your casting or media app and choose the file transfer or cast option. You'll pick a photo, video, or other file and set transfer settings like quality or subtitles. This matters for bandwidth and playback. Then select the TV name from the available devices list. If a pairing code appears on the TV, enter it on your phone or computer to confirm. Once matched, the file begins streaming or copying. Stay near the router until the transfer completes to avoid drops. When the transfer finishes, verify the file played or appears on the TV and use the app's stop or eject control to end the session cleanly. If it fails, restart the TV, router, and the sending device. Simple reboots clear most network or app glitches. Make sure your firewall isn't blocking local streaming, check app permissions for local files, and confirm the file format is supported. Convert if necessary. If problems persist, try wired USB or Ethernet transfer as a fallback solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.